Hello and welcome back, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Today, let's talk about XRP. A well-known financial expert recently shared his perspective on what he believes is coming to the global banking industry via the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications, better known as SWIFT. In his opinion, and based on the latest news, SWIFT is working on a major upgrade and is likely to announce it soon. For those who don't know, SWIFT is a messaging system that allows financial institutions worldwide to exchange payment instructions quickly, accurately, and securely. Basically, it is a communication network that supports international money transfers. Today, it is used by over 11,000 financial institutions in more than 200 countries and territories, including banks, securities brokers, and even central banks. Every day, trillions of dollars worth of payment orders are sent through the SWIFT network. So what exactly is changing? Well, according to the financial expert, the backbone of global finance is preparing to embrace a digital asset. He specifically highlighted the connection between Ripple and SWIFT, noting that their collaboration is not widely discussed. As he mentioned, the financial world is buzzing with whispers in the corridors of power, hinting at something big, something that could change how money moves around the globe. Now, while he didn't explicitly state that the digital asset in question is XRP, the implications are clear. SWIFT has been modernizing to keep up with technological advancements and changing needs of the financial industry. One of their initiatives includes the development of a digital messaging infrastructure called GPI, which stands for Global Payments Innovation. The GPI initiative aims to improve cross-border payments by providing faster, more transparent, and more efficient services. And as part of this initiative, SWIFT has been exploring the use of distributed ledger technology, DLT, which is basically a fancy way of saying blockchain. In fact, they've been running trials with a number of banks to explore how digital assets and tokenization can enhance the efficiency of cross-border payments. Before we move on, remember to like and subscribe. And now let's go back. Now, why is this important? Well, if successful, these trials could lead to the integration of digital assets like XRP into the global banking system via the SWIFT network. This could potentially transform the way cross-border payments are made, offering faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions. However, there are challenges to overcome before this becomes a reality. For example, regulatory approval and ensuring interoperability with existing systems are critical aspects that need to be addressed. Additionally, getting all the players in the global banking industry to agree on a single digital asset is no easy feat given the competing interests and lack of a level playing field. That said, the recent news about the partnership between Standard Chartered, which is a major global bank, and Ripple is very interesting. Standard Chartered has reportedly gone live with Ripple's on-demand liquidity (ODL) service in the UAE to enable instant FX payments. What's really exciting about this is that Standard Chartered is a member of the Bankers Committee, which is a group of major global banks that advise SWIFT on matters related to the improvement and evolution of the SWIFT messaging system. It is reasonable to assume that this development is part of the larger modernization efforts by SWIFT, which include exploring the use of DLT and digital assets. In other words, SWIFT is testing ways to make cross-border payments faster, cheaper, and more transparent, and digital assets like XRP are on the table as part of this effort. Now, the thing to remember here is that at this point in time, nothing has been officially confirmed, but all the pieces of the puzzle are falling into place. And many industry experts believe that XRP is the most likely candidate to be the digital asset of choice for such a system due to its speed, scalability, and cost-effectiveness. If you're interested in staying updated on the latest developments, keep an eye out for official announcements from both Ripple and SWIFT. The future of global finance is indeed evolving rapidly, and the next few months promise to be particularly exciting. Remember, now is the time to like and subscribe. Follow us and keep up with the latest XRP news. Thank you for watching.